Did you know that a strong personal brand can be the key to unlocking your affiliate marketing success? Stay tuned to learn how building a personal brand can set you apart, earn trust, and skyrocket your affiliate sales. In the world of affiliate marketing, competition is fierce. With countless marketers promoting similar products, standing out is more challenging than ever. That's where building a personal brand comes in. A strong personal brand can help you build trust and authority in your niche, making it easier for you to connect with your audience and drive affiliate sales. Building a personal brand for affiliate marketing success. This is part 12 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In this video, we'll cover the basics of personal branding, how to engage with your audience effectively, and the importance of reputation management. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your affiliate marketing game, this guide will provide you with the tools and strategies you need to succeed. One of the biggest challenges affiliate marketers face is gaining the trust and loyalty of their audience. Without a strong personal brand, it's difficult to differentiate yourself from the countless other marketers out there. Additionally, building a loyal following requires more than just promoting products. It involves creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and maintaining a positive reputation. This video will address these challenges by providing actionable tips and strategies for building a personal brand that resonates with your audience and drives affiliate marketing success. 1. Understanding personal branding. Background. Personal branding is the process of creating a unique and memorable identity for yourself in your chosen niche. It's about showcasing your expertise, values, and personality to build a connection with your audience. Key components of personal branding. Authenticity. Being genuine and true to yourself is crucial for building trust with your audience. Consistency. Maintaining a consistent message, tone, and visual identity across all platforms helps reinforce your brand. Value proposition. Clearly communicate what makes you unique and why your audience should follow you. Strategy. Start by defining your personal brand. Identify your strengths, values, and what sets you apart from others in your niche. Create a brand statement that encapsulates who you are and what you offer. Example: Marie Forleo, a successful entrepreneur and author, has built a strong personal brand by consistently sharing valuable business advice, showcasing her personality, and maintaining a consistent visual identity. 2. Building your online presence. Background. A strong online presence is essential for reaching and engaging with your audience. This includes having a professional website, active social media profiles, and a consistent content strategy. Key tactics. Professional website. Create a well-designed website that showcases your expertise, offers valuable content, and provides clear calls to action for your affiliate products. Social media profiles. Maintain active profiles on relevant social media platforms, ensuring consistency in your branding and messaging. Content strategy. Develop a content strategy that includes blog posts, videos, podcasts, and other formats to regularly provide value to your audience. Example: Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income has a professional website that offers a wealth of free resources, a regularly updated blog, and active social media profiles, all of which reinforce his personal brand. 3. Creating valuable content. Background. Creating valuable content is at the heart of building a personal brand. Your content should educate, entertain, and engage your audience while showcasing your expertise. Key tactics. Educational content. Share tutorials, how-to guides, and informative articles that address the needs and interests of your audience. Personal stories. Share personal anecdotes and experiences to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Multimedia content. Utilize different content formats, such as videos, infographics, and podcasts, to cater to different preferences. Strategy. Plan and produce high-quality content that aligns with your brand and provides value to your audience. Consistently deliver this content to build trust and authority. Example: Gary Vaynerchuk creates a variety of content, including videos, podcasts, and articles, that provide valuable business advice while sharing his personal experiences and insights. 4. Engaging with your audience. Background. Engagement is crucial for building a loyal following. Actively interacting with your audience helps build relationships and fosters trust. Key tactics. Respond to comments. Take the time to reply to comments on your blog, social media posts, and videos. Host Q&A sessions. Host live Q&A sessions on platforms like Instagram Live, Facebook Live, or YouTube to interact with your audience in real time. Create community spaces. Establish online communities, such as Facebook groups or Discord servers, where your audience can connect with you and each other. Strategy. Make engagement a priority by dedicating time to interact with your audience. Show genuine interest in their feedback and questions. Example: Tim Ferriss actively engages with his audience through social media, his blog, and his podcast, creating a sense of community and loyalty among his followers. 5. Leveraging influencer collaborations. Background. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can help you reach new audiences and enhance your credibility. Key tactics. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for popular blogs in your niche to showcase your expertise to a new audience. Podcast interviews. Appear as a guest on relevant podcasts to share your knowledge and reach new listeners. Social media collaborations. Partner with influencers for social media takeovers, joint live sessions, or collaborative content. Strategy. Identify influencers whose values and audience align with yours and propose mutually beneficial collaborations. Example: Tony Robbins frequently collaborates with other thought leaders and influencers, expanding his reach and reinforcing his personal brand. 6. Reputation management. Background. Maintaining a positive reputation is critical for long-term success. This involves managing both positive and negative feedback effectively. Key tactics. Monitor mentions. Use tools like Google Alerts or Mention to keep track of what people are saying about you online. Address negative feedback. Respond to negative comments or reviews professionally and constructively. Showcase positive testimonials. Highlight positive reviews and testimonials on your website and social media profiles. Strategy. Be proactive in managing your reputation by regularly monitoring feedback and addressing issues promptly. Show appreciation for positive feedback and use it to build credibility. Example: Neil Patel actively manages his online reputation by responding to comments and reviews, addressing concerns, and showcasing positive testimonials. 7. Utilizing email marketing. Background. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building a personal brand and nurturing relationships with your audience. Key tactics. Build an email list. Offer valuable incentives, such as free resources or exclusive content, to encourage sign-ups. Regular newsletters. Send regular newsletters with updates, valuable content, and affiliate product recommendations. Personalized emails. Personalize your emails based on subscriber preferences and behavior to increase engagement. Strategy. Create and execute a strategic email marketing plan that aligns with your personal brand and provides ongoing value to your subscribers. Example: Amy Porterfield uses email marketing effectively to nurture her audience, share valuable content, and promote her affiliate products and courses. The most impactful takeaway is that building a strong personal brand is not just about promoting products. It's about creating genuine connections with your audience. By being authentic, consistent, and providing ongoing value, you can establish trust and authority in your niche, ultimately driving affiliate marketing success. To recap, building a personal brand involves understanding your unique value proposition, creating a strong online presence, producing valuable content, engaging with your audience, leveraging influencer collaborations, managing your reputation, and utilizing email marketing. By implementing these strategies, you can differentiate yourself from the competition and build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations and supports your affiliate marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let us know which personal branding strategies you're excited to implement. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!